There aren't many diseases that you need to know about in GCSE biology, but this one you need to know in detail. Fungal diseases. Now, a fungus or fungi are an example of one of our types of pathogens. Let me know in the comments the other 3 types of pathogen as well. For every disease that you need to know about, you need to know the symptoms, you need to know how the disease spreads, and then how we treat/prevent the disease as well. So, rose black spot, let's talk about it. Well, the clue is kind of in the name. It causes black spots on roses. So our symptoms here, well, we get these black areas forming on the leaves of the rose. And these black areas are where the fungus is growing. The problem is those black spots, they're going to block out the light. They're going to stop the light from being able to pass into something like the palisade layer and hit the chloroplast, which means the plant stops photosynthesizing. So we get less photosynthesis. And if we get less photosynthesis, well, the problem with that is the plant now can't produce glucose. That glucose can't be used for respiration. The glucose can't be used to produce cellulose, proteins, starches, lipids, all sorts of things, which means that the plant can't grow as well. So we end up seeing stunted growth. The plant is less able to grow, stunted growth. So how does the pathogen spread? Well, the thing about fungi is they reproduce by producing spores. So the spores are transmitted through the air and on animals, tools, all sorts of things. So the spores transfer that pathogen from one organism, from one plant to another. So how do we prevent the spread of this pathogen? Well, it's really quite difficult. The spores last for a really, really long time. They're really tough and resistant. They will last in the soil for ages and ages and ages. So we might want to remove infected parts of the plant. We might want to clean our tools carefully, making sure we reduce the spread as much as possible. But then also we have specific chemicals that will only kill the fungus. These are called fungicides. So just like how an insecticide kills only the insects, an antibiotic kills only the bacteria, the fungicide will kill the fungal cells. And that will help to prevent the disease from spreading, it would help to kind of reduce the disease on that plant as well. So there we have it. All you need to know about fungal diseases broken down for you. Make sure you give me a follow because I'm going to break down everything else you need to know.